Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Desert Financial Credit Union account online. To do this, you'll have to first go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.desertfinancial.com and then press enter. This will take you to the website. Before we begin, you have to make sure that you have an account first. If you don't have an account, you may not be able to log in. Now, you'll have to click on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen, right between the open an account button and the search icon. Now, to proceed with your login, you will have to click on the sign in button and then a drop down opens up. Here you're given an option to log into your other accounts as well, like your credit card, your loan payment, and your investment accounts. Now, to log into your credit union, you will have to enter your user ID in the first text box, which is on the left. Then you will have to enter your password on the password text box on the right. In any case, if you forget your username or password, you may click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link right below the password text box. You may click on the circle right below the user ID text box to make sure that Desert Financial website remembers you for any further use. After you fill in both your credentials, then you may click on Sign In to proceed. This will successfully log you in to your Desert Financial Credit Union account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.